start thinking about how people might be decorating their desks. So this is an especially fun one when we start thinking about a remote work environment where we don't necessarily have a ton of access to the kind of spatial context that people are working in and living in, and also not really a big onus, I guess, to break out your decorating spirit. So the Decorate Your Desk contest is a good prompt, really, to start thinking more about your space, think about how you can brighten your space, and then how you can share that with your coworkers. So the Decorate Your Desk contest, once again, very similar. Just upload a picture of your decked out desk and share it with your team. So if we use this template, boom, it's created. I can share this once again with my whole organization, or for argument's sake, perhaps we want to do the Decorate Your Desk contest with just a single department. So let's say we wanted the customer service team to be able to participate, and we wanted the customer service team to be the viewers. So if I jump here, I can pick department as viewers. And once again, I can pick customer service and add my whole customer service department here so that this contest is just for them. Click done. And now when I hit run now, once again, I'm given the opportunity to say how long I want the flow to run for. So I'm going to set that at 30 days to fill this out. I want to hit run now. Everybody who's capable of participating is going to get that participation reminder